Green Gigafactories, the hidden revolution behind EVs. What if I told you your clean electric car might not actually be clean? Sounds shocking, right? Here's the truth. While EVs reduce pollution on the road, their manufacturing, especially batteries, is extremely energy intensive. And if that energy comes from fossil fuels, the entire green promise starts to fall apart. That's where Green Gigafactories come in. These are massive EV and battery factories powered by renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydropower. Think of them as the missing piece in the clean energy puzzle, not just clean cars, but clean manufacturing. So how do these factories actually go green? 3 key ways. On-site energy, solar panels and wind turbines right at the factory. Power purchase agreements, long-term clean energy deals, energy storage systems, batteries that store energy for 24/7 operations. This creates a self-sustaining ecosystem, almost like a mini renewable-powered city. And here's why this matters right now. Governments are tightening emission rules, investors are pushing ESG goals, and companies are racing to cut Scope 3 emissions across supply chains. Translation: if automakers don't go green, they risk falling behind. This isn't future talk, it's already happening. Tesla is integrating solar-powered factories. Volkswagen is building carbon-neutral battery plants. Northvolt runs on hydropower in Sweden. BYD and CATL are scaling renewable production in China. This is a global race, and it's accelerating fast. But here's the twist most people miss. Going green isn't easy. High upfront costs, weather-dependent energy, location limitations. Yet, companies are still investing heavily. Why? Because the real competition is no longer just EVs versus petrol. It's clean supply chains versus dirty ones. The future is clear. Green Gigafactories could become the standard for EV manufacturing, powered by AI, recycling, and even hydrogen. If you want to stay ahead of this shift, subscribe for more deep tech insights. And to explore this market in detail, check out our full report in the description below.